Hello, here on this video we're going to be looking at the breakdown of the Honors Week 3 homework. On this video I'm just going to divide it into the separate sections to see what type of operation we're going to need to do to solve these types of problems. And it'll serve as a study resource when we need to go back and look back at one step. We'll know some sample problems to look at. So the page 85, the different numbers are solved with one step. That's where we're going to use an addition or subtraction, multiplication or division, depending on what the opposite what's happening with x is. The page 91, that's our two-step. Make sure we're doing it in the proper order here, where we take care of that addition or subtraction first, and then we take care of our multiplication and division. The page 98 split into two sections. 10 through 18 is combining like terms. You'll see your variables on the same side, so you'll be able to combine those together. 21 through 24, you will see that we are having to distribute to solve. So you'll distribute and then do most likely a two-step equation. On page 105, that's going to be variables on both sides, as we have to move the variables by adding or subtracting them on both sides of the equation. We can't combine them on that because, like we could when they're on the same side, because when they are separated by that equal sign, we have to move them around. Doing addition or subtraction of our variable on both sides of the equation. Page 106, that's 1 through 24, you have to be distributing and dealing with variables on both sides. And 29 through 32, that's our one solution, no solution identity, which is what we call infinite solutions. One solution is whenever our variable is equal to a number. No solutions when we work through, our variables cancel out and we get something that doesn't make sense. Infinite solutions, whenever we have the same thing is equal to the same thing, no matter how early on we spot that in the equation, that's guaranteed to give us infinite solutions. Now that does wrap up the homework review there in terms of what section is what. So as we start to gauge questions in class, we'll be able to look at some of these specific problems.